Meaning of dry rot.
Dry rot.
Dry rot.
Dry rot.
Dry rot. Dry rot is a type of fungal decay that affects timber and other materials. It is caused by specific species of fungi that break down the cell walls of wood, causing it to become brittle and crumble. The name dry rot comes from the fact that the affected wood appears dry and can easily break or crumble into small, cube-shaped fragments. This type of decay can weaken structures and cause significant damage if left untreated, potentially leading to structural failure in severe cases. Effective treatment typically involves removing the affected wood and replacing it with new, healthy timber.